This is Morro Bay today. Webcams at KSBY.com, powered by Surfline. With the surf we've been talking about, we showed you earlier in the show, 10 to 16 feet all weekend long. If you are going to get in the water or near it, make sure you get the forecast provided by us through our partnership with Surfline.com. Be on KSBY, your pictures featured every day. Susie Christian out at the coastline today, part of the rock there, and that mix of low clouds and upper level clouds. Faith Eddy this morning, beautiful shot there of the sun just starting to get its influence going. And Christy Withers, beautiful shot here. This was something I noticed today too. The clouds is kind of rolling over the tops of the hills. Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Use the hashtag #BeOnKSBY. A lot of those pictures come to my Facebook fan page. That's TV Dave Hovde. Here's the outlook and the forecast. Windy and cooler for the weekend. Stray showers are possible, but I'm not going to go crazy on it. In fact, if you take a look here on that 7-day ticker, you'll notice I'm just going with that partly to mostly cloudy icon. I think we're going to see variably cloudy skies and breezy conditions all weekend long. We're going to talk about the big surf coming up as well, and a big shift next week. So we're looking at temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s. Interestingly, Goleta's in at 73 degrees still. Santa Barbara we're in at 69. The winds across Santa Barbara County are really blowing now, 25 miles per hour to Gaviota. Here's a look at the modeling. We do have a cold front knifing through tonight. The winds don't really pick up overnight. Now, this is a look at midday tomorrow. You can see there's some showers going on in Kern County and the Tehachapies, but for us, it's 15 to 30 mile per hour winds with gusts to 35. It's possible the Central Coast could also get included in a wind advisory. Yes, there is some instability possible with this. We could see a drop or two of rain, but I don't want to over broadcast that because I really think the rule of the roost is going to be just that windy condition. And as we get into next week, offshore winds on Monday could be as strong as 20 to 30 locally. And in Southern California, we could see some gusts close to 40 and 50 miles per hour. Microclimate outlook here. Again, not much in the way of measurable rain over the weekend. You can actually see part of the system nosing into California right now. Showers in the Bay Area. I just looked at some traffic cameras. There are folks, all kinds of people heading up to Tahoe for the weekend. Long lines of cars. But we have this front in here and another one behind that. As we get into next week, I think most of next week is dry. The question is, as we get into Wednesday, what happens? Possibly another showery system, but if that happens, like the weekend system, it won't be dramatic in terms of the overall potential, really minor. Here's a look at some of the numbers. Tomorrow, it's going to be tough to get to 60 degrees. Keep in mind today, parts of the Central Coast were still closer to 70 degrees, so we're heading down. The South Coast will be the exception. We're still looking at mid-60s, potentially 70s, but the Cuyama Valley may not get to 60 tomorrow. Beaches, low 60s. Again, a breezy to downright windy day, big surf, variably cloudy skies. Going to feel more like winter around here. Sunday, more sunshine because of the winds. Extended forecast here comes up a little next week with that strong offshore event. Perhaps a shower on Wednesday, but again, not a big one. And we're back right after this.